Carrick at the agency. Today I have the pleasure of presenting 6 Calliungal Lane in Moongan. This meticulously renovated 3-bed, 2-bath home has had no expense spared. With features from Tungamull and East Street, there's plenty to offer. Nestled on a private 5-acre block, this home has plenty of entertainment opportunities with an in-ground pool and barley hut to boot. With a large shed set with solar, underground power, water and septic, the options are endless for this property. If you'd like more information on this beautiful home, reach out to me anytime. I look forward to meeting you.